Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share my August Boxycharm. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, I have a whole series on my channel about it. It is a monthly subscription box where you have different boxes to choose from. I get the base box, which is the $25 box. You get 5 full-sized makeup or skincare items. You get to choose one of them, which is nice, and the value is normally over $125. So I post this video every month just to share what I have gotten. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to share. There are different variations that people get, so here is mine. I did cheat a little bit, open the box to see what makeup I could put on so that I can show you on my face what I got. Let's go ahead and hop in. You open the box and you get a card with a theme, and the theme is Go All Out. On the back of this card, it gives me all of the products that I got, a description, and their retail value. Let's get started. The first item that I have here is from Volition Beauty, and it is the Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil, daily treatment oil with hibiscus flower and licorice root to minimize the appearance of dark spots and discoloration as it soothes and nurtures. So this is a correcting oil. It's valued at $49 and sounds great to me. I have some scarring, some hyperpigmentation. It is a beautiful glass bottle, very nice. I have never heard of this brand. Let's go ahead and give it a smell. It smells spa-like. Looks like there is a pump to pull it in. Let's go ahead and check this out. I'm going to put some in, put some on my hand, and it feels like an oil. So that is the first product. The next product is another skincare product from Avant Skincare. And that is this one right here. It is the Pro Radiance Brightening Final Touch. This eye cream is part of the Avant Age Radiance range. It illuminates your eye area with powerful shimmering properties, and it is valued at $134. So sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and put this right here. Looks like it's white. I'm gonna rub it in. It smells spa-like. It smells very nice. Okay, so I'm excited. I like that as well. I've never heard of that brand either, but as you can see, the value is getting up there. And then the third skincare product here is from Klara's, and it is Klara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. 96% blend of retinol, vitamin E oils, extensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. Retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment. Antioxidant vitamin E, hydrates, valued at $24.99. So this one is another serum. If you've tried any of these brands, let me know. This is what this one looks like. Let's put it on my other hand. Oh, this one's a little more gel-like. I think this one smells like licorice. 1 to 2 drops to the face after cleansing. So you would use it as a serum. I believe you would use the serum first and then the oil. My skincare experts correct me if I am wrong. Moving on, we have 2 makeup items, and the first one is this one right here, and this was my choice. This is the Purelisse, a multitasking serum infused beauty balm that contains bakuchiol, algae, collagen, and vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten and moisturize all, while providing full natural glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF 40. So we'll see how my oily skin responds to this. I will have to try it out and keep you posted how it works. This is what it looks like. and it is valued at $38, and you get 1.4 ounces. And then the last product is from Ciate London, and it is the Shadow Flip Liquid Eyeshadow with Shade Shifting Color Flipping Pigments. Instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. Valued at $20. So we will talk about the value here in a moment, but let's go ahead and try out some of these products. My face is already moisturized. I do have a little bit of my e.l.f. Camo Concealer under my eyes, and my brows are done. I used my NYX Brow Glue, fave, and then I used the brow pencil that I got in my Boxycharm last month, $1 Billion Brows. So let's go ahead, shake it up just in case it needs shaken up. So this is what it looks like. Not sure I should have paired it with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer because that is on the matte side, where this is definitely giving a glow. But the coverage seems nice. It seems to have covered well. I'm going to take a dry beauty blender and I'm just going to press this into the skin just to make sure I don't have excess product. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge, which is one of my favorites. I just opened a brand new one. I love to use this with my concealer as well. Okay, I think it looks very nice. I think I should set it though, so I'm going to take a little bit of my Fenty Beauty powder that I also got from Boxycharm in their add-ons, which is a monthly opportunity to get products at a deep discount. Every month I take advantage of that as well. I think this is in the 30s and I think I paid maybe $12 for it. So I do recommend. Most of the time I'm very pleased with my Boxycharm box. And this powder is a little on the matte side, which I do prefer for my combination oily T-zone skin. So we went ahead and set that. Let's go ahead and throw a little bronzer on. I'm just gonna stick with my e.l.f. I have my e.l.f. bronzer. I'm gonna put this on my cheeks and I'm gonna frame out my eyes with it because that shadow flip is a liquid eyeshadow and I want to have my eyes framed out for that. So I'm gonna go in with my Luxie angled brush. Throw a little highlight and blush on while we're here. I have my e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bali. And let's take that bronzer and just frame out the eyes. Just going in the crease with that. It's always a good idea if you're going in with a cream shadow. If you want it to be a little bit more of a put together look. Or if you have more of hooded eyes, if you go a little bit higher into that crease, it's going to bring that area back so that you can see the shadow a little bit better. Okay, let's get into this shadow flip. The shade is called Ember, and I will swatch it for you. Copper to green. Copper to green. So very cool. Go ahead and apply this. a little bit under the eyes, just in that inner part. Can't say I'm a fan. Not really liking that. Okay, let me go ahead and finish my makeup and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, I am back and the makeup is done. What did I do? I used my Sephora mascara. What is that called? It is the Size Up mascara. I really enjoy this. Used a little Wet n Wild highlighter on the cheeks, always a winner. My Profusion lipstick lip gloss combo, affordable. Some BH Power Pencil liner, and I think that is everything. So final thoughts on the box. I have to say I'm a little disappointed. It was a lot of skincare. We had 3 skincare products. We had the correcting oil, we had the retinol serum, we had the eye cream. I mean, at least they're 3 different things. The foundation or BB cream seems to be nice. So to me, this is probably my favorite thing in the box. I mean, until I test out that skincare, I mean, I've never heard of the brand. So when you've never heard of the brand, you don't know. If you have any of those brands and are familiar with them, please comment below. Let me know if I should be worried or if they're a-okay. And then the Shadow Flip from Ciate, I'm just not impressed. I don't see, there's no shimmer. I don't see anything there. I don't love the way it applied. I don't see it. To me, that is a flop. The value on the box is $265, so that is nice. Truly, it's that the eye cream is $134 retail value, so who knows? Let's see if my eyes are shining so bright in the next month. I will take it. Otherwise, we had, you know, some $20 items, $25, $38, $49 for that correcting oil. So we shall see, but is this my favorite box? No. Do I enjoy the add-ons and sometimes I think that's why I stay? Sure. I will post everything as far as Boxycharm is concerned in the description box. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. Leave me a comment. Let me know any videos you'd like to see in the future. I post videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And I hope you have a fabulous day.